Hello everyone. So in this episode of my third person shooter series, I'm going to show you how to do this. So when I right click, I get this reticle, and when I shoot, the reticle is changed. So this is to represent that when I shoot, because of the gun's recoil effect, the accuracy will be changed, accuracy will be decreased. So to show that, to depict that, I'm going to contract this white line which compose the reticle like this. So I have done this using, this is my reticle widget, and for this one I have created a UI material, and in this UI material I have created this accuracy parameter. So when I set this one to a smaller value like 0.1, the reticle will be like this, and like 0.2, reticle will be like this. So like that I have created this material for the reticle, and using this I am changing the accuracy level representation of the reticle. And you can access the full tutorial series on third person shooter in my Patreon page. I'll put the link in the description below.